Okay, hello, welcome to Popeye Hill. Today we're going to talk about the compost piles and what's going on here. Been adding stuff all summer to this side, and there's a lot of what we call greens in there, and it's getting a little rough in there. We might need to cover that up because it smells a little bit too. And I'm going to cover it up with the compost that's in this side. So I have an assistant today. This is my great-grandson, and we're going to get a video of him here. Okay, that's Ian, and he's our cinematographer. Ian, bring the camera over here and let's take a look down in this compost pile. You got a good view of it?
Yeah.
Okay, folks, you can see what's going on there. As a matter of fact, if you look close, you can see some flies buzzing around, that type of thing. There's gnats, bees, the whole kind of thing. But that's all basically stuff from weeds from the garden and stuff from the kitchen. Okay, Ian, now let's show the folks the compost on this side, the one that I'm going to use to cover up. Okay, first thing we're going to do is take the fronts of the compost bins off. Okay, let's take a look at this pile. This is the one that's been sitting for a little while. Ian, walk in on it, get a close-up on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my fork and I'm going to grab some of this stuff here and I'm going to end up putting it in that pile. So pan over there, Ian, let's step in front of that and show them what's going on there. So what we got here is a variety of onions, orange peels, eggshells, weeds from the garden, all kinds of good stuff in there. Insects will love it, and I want to get it covered up because I have a feeling that the raccoons and the possums may be interested in that as well. So, okay, Ian, come on closer and let the folks see what's going on here on that side. Are you getting good shots of that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to come off. There we go. Let's put the front back on. Okay, now we'll put the front back on this side. There we go. All right, next thing we're going to do is have some buckets that have been sitting out here and they gathered rainwater in them. And Ian, see if you can take a look in there. It may not be easily visible because the water's moving around, but there's mosquito larvae in there. So I'm going to do two things at once. Get rid of the larvae and also water the compost. Water in the compost is a good thing. And I'm going to show folks. Okay, here's the water, and can you see the larvae through the camera there?
Yeah.
Okay, see if you can zoom in and just show the folks the larvae swimming around. Okay, those are mosquito larvae. And we don't want them around. So we're going to put them in the compost pile.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put some water over in that one, on this side. And one more. Okay, that takes care of the larvae. That adds water to the compost pile. And everything should be copacetic. Okay, so that's a quick roundup of how I handle the compost piles in the summertime. So I thank you for watching and appreciate it. See you next time on Popeye Hill.